Good morning.
Alright, so we will go down na for breakfast. So this is our OOTD. Nakahit-tech lang ako kasi mag-breakfast muna kami. That's Milo's. Looking good. Alright. See you sa breakfast. Breakfast time. What's that? Like a sausage?
Turkey
A
sausage.
turkey sausage. Hello.
Hi.
Chicken sausage.
Wala yung Mickey Mouse.
Doon ata yung Mickey Mouse. Baka doon. Yung gagawa ka. What is this? White scramble. Scrambled eggs. Potatoes. What is that? Sausage. Good morning, Tito B. Good morning. And Kuya Dwayne. What is this? Oh, another sausage. Yung spoon and fork. Pala ko tissue. Yes. Game. Ko na lang. Okay. Tingnan mo ako. Kasama ka na. Parang kulong. Asan na yung ano? Ito ba yun? Oo. Ay, gusto ko tayo ng ang lamig. Alright, let's go. Let's pour to the Mickey mold. We'll make it full pa. Ah, okay. Kasi mag-ano pa siya. Oops, oops. Ah, lalaki pa siya. Okay. Alright. And then, close it. Wait. Ah, nakaset na yung time. Set na yung time doon, no? Pakita mo yung time. Set na yung time. You just have to wait. Every what? Every 1 minute?
No, just leave it. It'll tell you.
Should I turn it on?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Turn it on.
Thank you. Kaya pala siya tumutunog, you have to turn it on. We need ano, ito yung pangkawit. na kaya yun? Ano ba sabi? Tingin mo. Baka pwede. Baka sabihin na lang, baka totoo yun. I have to turn. Baka. Tanong mo dun sa friend mo. Feeling ko ano yun. Tunog nga siya. Matigas ang ulo.
Tyler has a table on the other side.
For cleaning. For cleaning ba to? Oo. Nakita ko na spray nila. Para hindi magpapit. Pakita mo nga yan. So, this is it. For cleaning purposes. Spray me. Easy release. Hindi na focus sa paper ko. Oo. Ano na, okay na ba to? Yes. Tingnan mo, buksan mo. Ay, ano? Umikit pa siya. Ang pangat ng Mickey natin. Hindi perfect. Hindi perfect. Baka kasi inikot-ikot. Ay na, ito ba? Ito na ba? Ha? Si Mickey to. Ayun o. Si Mickey. Hello! Okay na ata. How long ba? Tapos? Mga 100 na ito. It's not perfect, Mickey. Okay na to siya, no? Oo. Kasi nag-stop na yung time eh. Wait lang. Baka basa pa kasi yung loob. Kaya nga eh. Diba? Pwede ano pa na. Antay pa natin yung time. Ito na lang. This is the, ano na, big Mickey. Make sure it's perfect. And then let's get what it says here, push. Kailangan hindi mo pala siya sushoot lahat. Kasi natakpan ko na yung mga Mickey. Oo. Tama. Diba? Kaya siguro ito. Ay, hindi. Medyo payat. Medyo payat ang ganap ni Mickey. Okay na daw. Ago. Then you need to do it agad. Then, flip. Okay. And then we need to wait. No? Yeah.
Get out of here, bro.
Ang may manual na waffle maker. Ay! May maganda. Bye-bye! Kaya bahala kayo dyan. Di! May oatmeal doon. Oatmeal. Parang lugaw. Oo. Yun din ano ko kasi walang rice. Parang ang sarap nga eh, no? Parang mainit-init sa tiyan. Tapos may milk. So, kontaan mo lang kung gusto mo. Nilagyan ko na sugar. Ganun perfect yung waffle. Meron ka na. Kaya nga, ang pangit mo sa atin. Hindi natin ma-perfect yung waffle. Kami naman successful na to. Yeah. Cute ng Mickey headband niya. Ay, oo. Cutie. Let's see the result. Ilapit natin. This is it. Kulang yung sayo. Para siyang skeletal na ano.
Ba't ganun?
Ang sobrang konti kasi nung nilagay mo. That's okay. Yeah, that's okay. Mas masarap yan kasi crispy. Di ba gusto mo yan?
Oo.
Kinakamay lang nila yung kanila eh.
Mainit eh. Gulong, bukas skeleton.
Ito po siya. It's breakfast time. That's what I have. And coffee. And ito yung aking Mickey, yung murdered Mickey pancake. Ay, waffle.
Because if he loses, that means he's correct. But if he wins,
What's that? Is that
that
syrup?
means it's
So
impossible.
much.
May kailangan dito?
Parang gusto ko ba ng...
I didn't really specify so much.
I think dito na lang.
Also, what's so weird?
What a penny spoon, please.
For crime, not everyday use. Crime or punishment.
Let's go, let's eat.
Diba, kasi, super proud.
Ang sarap.
Like if
Parang
you're
McDo.
down that guys or something.
Di, potato. Ano dyan? Hindi mo alam yun.
Ano, main na.
Kaya ako na lang.
Yung parang french fries? O yung parang ito?
Lahat ng meron na potato doon.
What is an underrated Actually, I'm gonna get more potatoes.
Oh, there's cream cheese spread pala.
Lamig.
Ito, syrup po. Gusto mo? Cream cheese spread. Ang daming ano dun. Ang daming option ng mga butter, ganyan. So, hindi kayo ma-uumay. Ha?
Gusto dyan ah.
Yung parang sa McDo? Muffin sausage, saka egg. Good. Good. Ang tala ko yung sa umorder ng McDo. Matatas na lang. Masarap ng egg nila dito. Anong pancake?
Yan. Yung bread.
Gusto mo?
Hindi yung bread.
Hindi to pancake, muffin. Si Mike nag-ano sa akin eh. Andun si Mike te, tanungin mo siya kung saan. Gawa lang to ni Mike. Sure, thank you. So good. Diba? And then, kape na masarap. Cheers.
I'm gonna go check out more.
You wanna go with, ano? Potatoes. So good coffee in the morning. Yoko, yung mga butter nila. Parang ang sarap pag-uwi ng mga butter nila dito. Char lang. Anak, will get mommy orange juice too. And apple. Kain muna ako guys, mamaya ulit. Okay, so hi Dad. Let's try the Mickey waffle. Let's see. So we have syrup here and some butter. Mali yung ano namin. Binash mo pa yung waffle ko. Mas maganda pa yung waffle ko sa'yo. Sa'yo, asan yung waffle mo? Wala. Hindi ka nakatikim. Sa'yo na to isa.
Maganda pa yung gawa mo.
Ano ba na po ako?
Hindi kasi, nakikita ko, nung hindi sinasagot dito may mga kasama. Pero dapat kaya makapal pa.
Eh, ano nga, naging skeleton.
Sobrang nipis nun sa'yo.
Yun na.
Parang may banana. Oo, banana.
Doon sa, kuha mo rin ako. Kuha mo rin si Milo. Kailangan natin tatlo. Butter nila. Parang ang sarap. Parang ang sarap kainin ng alone. Butter alone.
Maybe I can move it.
Masarap kasi ito kainin. Mainit pa. Damin kasi natin ginawa.
Just constantly compounding. Okay,
Yeah.
bro. Okay, bro. Breathe. Breathe. Master. Breathe. People who like mustard are racist.
Meron pa. Kinukuha na ko si Milo hash brown pa eh. Ang bilis maubos kasi ng mga masasarap na food. Daming tao kasi ngayon. Gawa ng holiday siguro.
Bukas pili ko ko.
Ang sarap. Ang sarap ng butter.
Sila pamila din mga sa Facebook. Bakit delikado sa mga.
Ah.
Lahat sila Disney.
Milo is banana. Is the waffle good? The one earlier?
The baby is the same, but different shape.
You want the Mickey one? No. We're here na inside the Disneyland parking lot. Ang daming may dala ng sasakyan.
Para dyan to siya.
Ayan, medyo traffic dito, parang SM Mega Mall lang. Good morning! It's our Disneyland day. Isn't it obvious? Charis. How's the kids? Hi, Mayo. Kuya Dwayne.
Hi po.
Where's Mikey boy? Sleeping. Ito ang aming ears, headbands.
Me purple.
With Tita Ken. How are you, Tita Ken? Are you Donya there? You're
We like
Donya.
this.
And we have Tito Vince there.
Vin. Busy.
Busy boy. Ayan.
Nag-video si Tita Kay.
Hi. Hello. Ayan, medyo traffic po tayo ngayon. Ayan, yan yung shuttle papunta sa Disneyland Park. So, waiting lang kami dito. Hi, Dad. Hi, Milo boy. Ayan, and the fam. So, ayun siya.
Next pa tayo.
Next one na kami.
Go at the back. Carlo.
who are sitting with their parents. Children may not ride in strollers. Strollers should be folded and safely stored before leaving. As a courtesy to other passengers, we ask that there be no eating, drinking, or smoking on board. Thank you. As a reminder, this is the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals tram, serving the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals parking structure. We'll begin our trip shortly. Thank you. Inside while the tram is moving, and supervise your children.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Please hold on to hats, glasses, or any loose items that could fall from the tram. If an obstacle should fall, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest cast member. Thank you.
Mas kaya may ganda sobrang layo ng ano. Lalakaw.
Now, driver, you are clear.
Ah,
Alright, so bibili natin yung sunglasses na yan para may sunglasses siya. Dito siya sa Disney World. Ito po siya, makikita yung mga glasses na yan. It's $24.99. Bakit di pa pinipili? What's the difference?
Kasi may dumi daw yung kanya.
May dumi ba yan, Di? Chinek mo? Bibili niya na yung shades niya. Kasi ang init sa ang silaw sa labas. Ito ng mga lounge fly na bag na gano'n. Disney World na merch store. Maria's Place. Yung mga Mickey, mga Christmas display nila.
Where the dumb right?
We're inside. We're gonna go to the toilet.
ah, Ming.
I just tried was like.
Ming, hindi na sila.
chill dahil.
So, let's go. Tapos pag ganito tayo Star Wars.
Okay, sige. Bill reveal, $72. It's dark now. So we have pizza and salad.
This pasta sauce.
It looks good. It's really good. It smells good. You can try it. I'm gonna try the pizza.
Oh my goodness, that photo of
Now let's try the pizza. Anak, let's try the pizza. Those slices. This is just the cheese pizza.